Welcome back, guys. It's Kids on Playground here. Today we're back for another video on Scratch, and today we're making a draw flowers game. So it's we're drawing some flowers today. So let's go. When you click on the stage, you will draw these vibrant colored flowers that come in all shapes and sizes. And yeah, it's just it's just like we made some Christmas themes. So I think they're Christmas themed. They kind of look like Christmas themed to me. We actually made this one Christmas themed, this one, but it's just random colors. So this is what happens. Alright, so there's gonna be this special on my Scratch account. So I'll be now accepting F4F for the rest of November. So if you really want me to follow you and you want to follow me and I'll follow you. So I am accepting F4F for the rest of this month. I'll have to change my Scratch profile after this video. So anyways, let's start with the code. So I created a new project and I'll be showing you how to draw the flowers, and I actually am gonna take a backdrop. So I'm gonna make a blue backdrop. I don't want it to be fine about this. Yep, there we go. Down saturation. Yeah, let's go. Oh, and this. Oh. And as you can see, I'm gonna make a backdrop. So this is gonna be our backdrop, and we're gonna show you how to draw the petals for the flowers. So let's paint a new sprite, and it's time to get drawing. So I put my stuff in the backpack, but if you wanna do something different besides exporting the sprites for my project, visit me at Gumball098. And if you do not want to do that and want to make your own because you're feeling a little bit creative today, then we're gonna make a tutorial for you. So we start at 10, 100, 100. So thickness 5, so, and no fill. So let's start drawing. Draw a circle, kind of like an oval shape, ellipse. It's a circle, but it's an oval and an ellipse because it's, and very important, you always have to keep the bottom of the thing on the bottom of the sprite on the cross. So the cross is something where you put the sprite on. You don't have, like, people don't use it, but you have to for this one. So we have to reshape it a little bit. Always put the bottom on the cross. So if you feel like skipping this part, please do not skip this part. It's very important. Put the cross. Yep, put the cross there. Shrink. Then we put it on the cross. There we go. And now we're gonna duplicate, and we're gonna make some variants of this petal. So you can make your own variants. We're just gonna give you a few examples. So the normal line variant, which is just lines across the petal, making in such a vibrant flower color. So that's just one of the most basic designs you can do. There's more designs you can do. So we have, and there's also the polka dot. That's also a very easy design to do. So for the festivity, we're gonna do a Christmas theme. So we have that, and we have this. So it's kind of like a Christmas type of theme. So it's just gonna be like Control-C, Control-V, and we're gonna add that, Control-V, and we're gonna add that. So it's basically just some Christmas theme, green and red. So yeah, that's basically the basic polka dot design. So we're gonna do some, so we do have another sprite, which is gonna be our one that we're gonna be using for this project. So we're gonna have one of the costumes for reference. So this is the polka dot. So the wavy line one, the kind of football one that's like fall themed because, well, you know, football. Yeah. And to make the design, just draw a line, horizontal lines. This would take a really long time, so we are not deciding to do this one. And the Christmas themed one, kind of like a Christmas tree with red inside. So you just draw a line like that, bring out the reshape tool and start curving it as so. Remember, guys, go to my Scratch account, Gumball098, to, if you are not willing to do this, just go to my Scratch account and export my sprite. And we actually made a little spot for the red spot. As you can see, the spot is a little bit red. That's like, what's that thing called? Put on a Christmas tree? Garland or something. That is the garland part of the tree. And you just, yeah. Use red and no outline. Do this, make a circle. You put it on. The reason we don't fill that in is because it's not going to be a perfect line, and you make it go back because it's not going to be a perfect line. There's a little bit sticking out, but we're gonna, close that in. Yep. So that's basically like the things you put around the Christmas tree. So that's basically this one. So now we are going to go straight to the code. So let's close that. Go to Sprite 2, which is now Sprite 1, and rename the project. Draw flowers. So that's going to be the name of this project. The thing we're going to start out with today is the backdrop. And the backdrop is what it broadcasts from. And there's something new I figured out. Oh, we have pen too, so go to pen. Yeah, so we have pen. Make sure you have pen on. As you can see, this over here, pen. So we're gonna do the backdrop. So when stage clicked, I've actually never used this block in my whole entire life in Scratch, so I'm using it today. So yeah, until now. So and we're gonna have a erase all effect when the stage is clicked, because you have to start new flowers. So we're gonna get broadcast, draw flowers, and wait. We're gonna take wait. So be sure to take that, and then you write draw. And we're done with the backdrop here. So we just go to our petal and we finish up the code. So when the green flag is clicked, it will erase all. It'll take out all the pen effects and it will hide. And now we're going to have the draw. So when I receive draw, it will set X to -165. So it's going to be on the left side. And it'll switch costume to costume 1. Now we're going to have a repeat 5. And as you can see, we have 5 costumes. The regular one with nothing inside, the wavy line, the polka dot, the football, and the Christmas tree. So we have that. Repeat 5, and we will set Y to pick random because we want the flowers to be somewhere else. Set Y to pick random. -100 to +100. So -100, +100. So it's going to be around this area. And it will broadcast a new message called, broadcast and wait, a new message called draw flower. And now we're gonna change X by 80, so next costume. So now we're gonna have the draw flower. We're almost done, so hang in with me. So when I receive draw flower, which is a new broadcast message, it'll set a random color because we want a random color, but we have a range that we will decide from. So set color effects to a pick random 0 to 100. So 0 to 100, that's going to be a range of the color. And then it'll set brightness effect. We also have a brightness effect here, I think. So to pick random, -20 to +20. So we're going to have some brightness here. And now we're going to set the size to a pick random effect. So everything's basically random here, decided by the computer. So it will set size to pick random 80 to 100%. So why do I keep on writing 11? 100%. And now we're going to repeat 15 times. And we're going to stamp, because that's the thing that makes them draw. Just stamp it. And then it will rotate 24 degrees. So now we're done with the project, and feel free to pause to get the code written down and done. So yeah, let's test it. So now let's test it. So green flag, click on the stage, and you see we have the polka dot, we have the football, we have the Christmas tree, we have the Christmas tree, no, that's the wavy line, and we have the regular. We have the regular, we have the wavy line, the polka dot, the football. So it's just a bunch of designs of flowers. So yeah, and remember, I'm doing F4F for the rest of November for a kind of Thanksgiving Christmas special. So feel free to follow me, and I will follow you back. If I do not follow you, just comment on my profile, and then I will eventually follow you. So please like, share, subscribe, and comment in the comment section below of this video on what else games you have in mind for us to make. And see you guys next time.